You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to make a FaceTime call with someone who uses an Android phone. The key is that the iPhone user must create a FaceTime link and share it. On the iPhone, open the FaceTime app, tap the Create Link button at the top, give the new link a name like Call with Alex. Now tap Share Link, choose how to send it via messages, mail, or any other app like WhatsApp that the Android user has. The Android user receives this link. They simply tap the link on their Android device. It will open in their mobile web browser like Chrome. On the web page, they enter their name and tap Join. They will need to grant camera and microphone permissions to the browser. The iPhone user, still in the FaceTime app, will see a Join button appear on the link they created. They tap it to start the call. This creates a video call between the iPhone's FaceTime app and the Android user's web browser. The quality is very good and works over Wi-Fi or mobile data. The Android user does not need an Apple ID. Anyone with the link can join the call, so only share it with intended participants. For more simple cross-platform tech tutorials, subscribe to the channel.